Home Remedies presents
Cleanse the liver and intestines in 3 days. All the dirt will come out of the body. Today I will present you a wonderful natural drink recipe for full body detox. The liver is a detox organ that cleanses and purifies the body, eliminates toxins and harmful components entering the body. This combination works well for detoxifying the liver and eliminating toxins from the body. Let's see how to make it. You will need 3 cloves of garlic, 4 grams turmeric, quarter green apple, 4 grams ginger, 2 sprigs of mint, 1 slice of lemon, 1 teaspoon of honey, 1 liter of water. Preparation: take a mason jar, peel and chop turmeric, ginger and 3 cloves of garlic and add them in the jar. Wash a green apple, discard the seeds and add quarter of it sliced in the jar. Wash mint and also add it in the jar. Wash a lemon, discard the seeds and add 1 whole slice of it in the jar. Boil 1 liter of water and add to the ingredients. Mix with a wooden spoon. Close the lid and let it infuse for 5 minutes. Prepare fresh daily. Drink 3 glasses daily before meals.
If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.